Ever wondered how to filter your data with just a click, or how to make your reports more dynamic and user friendly? That's exactly what Slicer can do for you. They provide an easy and intuitive way to filter your data, making it accessible and engageable for everyone. All right, ready to add some slices. Let's jump into Excel and get started. First, let's clean and prepare your data for inserting a pivot table. Remove any extra columns and highlight the headers to ensure everything is neatly organized. Now, to add a pivot, select all the columns, go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to select the table range and choose where to place the pivot table. In this example, I am dragging and dropping the date into the row area and the floor and values into the column areas. I am also removing the subtotals and grand totals to simplify the view. Next, to add slicers, go to the Insert tab and select Slicers. A window will pop up with all the available options. Choose the slicer you need based on your requirement. Here I have selected 3 slicers, but I realize the third one is not necessary. To remove it, simply select the slicer and hit Delete. Now you can use the slicer to filter your data. There's an option at the top right of each slicer to select multiple items for data filtering. You can see it's all set. I am now fetching data based on brands and the items linked with them. And there you have it. You have successfully added slices to your Excel pivot tables, making your data filtering more interactive and your report more dynamic. If you have any questions or if there's any other Excel feature you would like us to cover, drop a comment below. We would love to hear from you.